Have you ever called the same Python function twice and gotten completely different results each time? In Python, default argument values are evaluated exactly once, when the function is defined, not each time it's called. For immutable types like integers or strings, this distinction doesn't matter because you can't change them in place. But for mutable types like lists, dictionaries, or sets, that single object persists and is shared across every single call to the function. Here's the classic example. This function appends an item to a list, with an empty list as the default. First call, we add apple. We get back a list with just apple. Makes sense. Second call, we add banana, but now we get apple and banana together. Surprise. That default list was never reset. It's the exact same object created when Python first passed the function. Every mutation sticks around. This is one of Python's most infamous gotchas. The idiomatic fix is simple. Use none as the default value instead. Then inside the function body, check if the argument is none and create a fresh list right there. Now every call that doesn't pass a list gets its own brand new object, and mutations don't leak between calls. Mutable defaults are created once at function definition, not per call. Always use none as the default and initialize inside the function body. Hit next to keep practicing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.